just walk right out the door.
Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this hair and makeup look that's making me look all Naomi Campbell kinda. Yes honey, strut your stuff. Yes honey, yes girlfriend. So without much ado, let's get into this video. First off, I'm starting with the hair bits, and the hair is from Alisky hair. I found out about this hair from oh my god, what's her name, Grace Ajilore. I love Grace. Who watches Grace? Let me know in the comment section down below. I love her. So for today's video I'm trying out their straight hair. I used 3 bundles and a closure, so I'm just showing you guys what the packaging comes like. It comes with a hair cap, a stocking cap, the weaving one. I pretty much don't use that one, honestly. A card that says thank you for shopping with us, blah blah blah. The bundles itself, the closure, and it also came with this small rubber band to pack your hair, and then it also came with lashes. So right now I'm just showing you guys the closure that it came with. It's a 4x4 closure, and I got mine in dark brown to match my skin tone. So first off, I'm bleaching the hair, and these are what I use to bleach my hair: the Soma developer 20 volume developer, BW2 bleach, and then aluminium foil. Really cheap ones. I got them for like 400 naira. So I've already gone ahead to do my closure wig. I'm going to link a video to how I usually do my closure wig. I have a detailed tutorial. So I've already gone ahead to wear my gloves, guys. Gloves, very important. So you just start off by sectioning the hair. So you see how I sectioned it. You start line by line. Take your time when you're bleaching the hair. So I'm just using the pink brush that I showed you guys earlier to rub that product into the hair. This hair took the bleach quite quickly. Like as I was doing line by line, the one before was already bleaching, so I was trying to work really fast because initially I was being very slow, but later on I had to start working really fast. After working that bleach and developer mixture into the hair, I went ahead to use a brush to comb through the hair very well so that the products get into the hair very well, not some parts getting the bleach and other parts not getting it. So after taking your time to comb through it very well, you're just going to take that aluminium foil paper and wrap it around the hair so that it bleaches quickly. Honestly guys, I don't really know what the point of that thing is. I just see it in YouTube videos, and I'm assuming there's a reason, so hence why I'm doing mine like so. If you know why you actually do this, let me know in the comment section down below. So I let this sit for like 20 minutes. Yeah, for like 20 minutes, and then I went ahead to wash it off with the what's it called, the Shimmer Lights purple shampoo. After washing it, I went into these 2 adult dyes in mahogany and spiced amber. I started off with mahogany and I did the hot water method. I put a little bit of hot water in a small bowl. I feel like it's better to use a small bowl than a big bowl because the product is more concentrated in a smaller bowl. So I just put it in, mixed it up together, and then I put the roots of the hair, the roots of the hair in this mixture. Guys, it's really hot, so you don't want to use your hand. It was really hot, so hence why I'm using the paintbrush to push the product in. Then next up, I went into the spiced amber, did the same thing, and then I just dipped the rest of the hair. Like I pretty much dipped the whole hair at this point into the mixture, but the bowl wasn't big enough, so I transferred it to another bowl. So that's pretty much it. After I was done, I went ahead to blow dry the hair, straighten it, and this is what it's looking like right about now. So now it's time to cut the bangs. Guys, I'm going to be honest with you, this is my first time trying this hairstyle, and I swear to God, I did a horrible job. I was very distracted. I was just when I was supposed to be doing this, so I don't think I did a really good job, honestly, but it wasn't so bad, but it could have been a whole lot better. So I just combed a few strands to the front like I'm doing right now. Then I went in with the scissors to cut the bangs to the desired length that I wanted. Then I went into a straightener to straighten it and give it a bob in front. So that's pretty much it for the hair bits. Now it's time to go into the makeup. Hey gorgeous, hey beautiful, hey natural beauty. So yeah, after hyping myself, I'm just starting off by cleansing my face with the Garnier Micellar cleansing water. Skincare, very important. Then I went into the Brega X Omari Code Hydrate Moisturizing Primer. Of late, this is what I've been reaching for a while now. I've been reaching for this a lot. It's really good for my skin type, because I have dry skin, so like this is all I use to prep my face, and it really works for me, but I wouldn't really recommend it for oily skin. Then I went into the TM Essentials Always on the Glow liquid illuminator. I just applied it all over my face, and I also applied it to my shoulders so that I can be flexing my shoulders for you guys all through this video, you know. Yeah, so for foundation, I'm using Huda Beauty. I actually mixed cocoa and hot fudge, and guys, do you see how that is my perfect shade? It was my perfect shade. Like, I feel like I haven't gotten this perfect shade ever. Then for my contour, I used the Huda Beauty Tantour. I can't really remember the shade right now, but it is going to be in my description box down below. Guys, all the brushes I used in this video is actually a Nigerian brand. It's from Nuban Beauty. And God, I did not mention this beauty sponge. This beauty sponge is to die for. It's the softest beauty sponge I've ever used. Like, I ruined the other one, and then I was trying so hard to find it to buy. I couldn't remember where I got it from, but I finally got it, and it's so amazing. I love it so much. So to highlight, I'm using the Huda Beauty concealer in peanut butter. You guys already know the drill. Like, I pretty much just showed you guys tiny clips of all these parts, because like I do this in every video. And I'm using the same Huda Beauty to contour my nose. Then to set the highlighted areas, I'm using the Beauty by AD setting powder in Tawny. I don't know if I mentioned, but yeah, the brush set I'm using is from Nuban Beauty. Every single brush I used, not every single brush, but a couple of them. Then to set my contour, I'm using the Maybelline powder in cacao. I feel like you guys see this all the time, like oh my god, do you guys like still enjoy my makeup tutorials at all at this point? Honestly, tell me. I wouldn't take offense, and if you don't, tell me what you want to see on my channel, guys. Then to set the whole face, I'm using my MAC Mineral Skin Finish powder in dark deepest. For highlighter, I'm using the ABH highlighter in Sunset Aurora, or Aura, I don't even know. So I'm just applying this on the usual areas I apply my highlighter. You guys already know. And for my brows, guys, I actually went off camera to do my brows. You guys have seen me do my brows. I have two. In fact, I actually have 4 detailed eyebrow tutorials on my channel, so I'm going to link one of them up on the screen, so go watch it when you're done. I'm just using the leftover concealer from highlighting my face to prep my eyes for eyeshadow. Then I went ahead to use my powder, the MAC powder I used earlier, to set that concealer. Moving into Mood Beauty in Bow Cap, I'm starting off with this dark purple shade, and I'm just blending this with a blending brush. Then I went into this magenta shade. I feel like I should have skipped this step. I don't know what I did there, but yeah, I didn't really need to do that, so I just blended that in. Then I went into this light purple shade to blend it out, so that was my transition color. Then I went ahead to add a little bit of light pink to create a gradient effect. And I'm prepping my eyelids with the Benign Clown Whites, also using a blending brush. Then I went into the Huda Beauty Obsession Amethyst. I don't know if I pronounced that well. Amethyst. God, I don't know, but yeah, I used 2 different shades in this palette. Then I went into the Luster Cosmetics Glitter and Pigment, and I pretty much applied it with the Luster glue. I started off with the chunky glitter, and then I applied the pigment in the center. You see me do that in a second. Okay, there, that's the pigment I'm applying right now. Oh god, it looks so bomb. To line my eyes, I used the Inglot gel liner. And then lashes, I used this one from Accessories by TS. Then to line my waterline, I used this Beanwag Cosmetics liner, the Purple Rain. Then I still use that same pigment to apply on my inner corner. Then I put blush from Mood Beauty, and now I'm using Kiss Beauty setting spray. Then for my lips, I went into Beauty by AD in Buff, then MAC Retro in Mademoiselle, and that is pretty much it for the makeup bits. Pretty easy, right? I really love this lip color. So this is it for the makeup. I'm just showing you guys up close, showing you guys the eyes, the makeup, everything. To finish up the look, I'm putting the wig on, and guys, it wasn't bad at all. It was a different look. Like, I've never ever had a look like this, and it was so different. It took a while for it to grow on me, but oh yeah, this was when I was starting to like it small. I started to feel it small. Like, I didn't really like it initially when I wasn't wearing makeup, but after putting the makeup on and everything was just coming together, and your girl was looking kind of pink. So yeah, the hair is from Alisky, like I mentioned. I'm going to leave all these details in the description box down below. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.